हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट इमेजरी। ओके, आज हम इमेजरी के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि शॉर्ट स्टोरी का एलिमेंट है। सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं इमेजरी होती क्या है। इमेजरी इज अ लिटरेरी डिवाइस दैट रेफर्स टू द यूज ऑफ फिगरेटिव लैंग्वेज to evoke a sensory experience or create a picture with words for a reader. By utilizing effective descriptive language and figures of speech, writers appeal to a reader's sense of sight, taste, smell, touch, and sound, as well as internal emotions and feelings. Therefore, imagery is not limited to visual representation or mental images what also includes physical sensations and internal emotions. Okay, definition है imagery is the use of vivid description usually rich in sensory words to create pictures or image in the reader's mind. Okay, imagery in a literary text occurs when an author uses an object that is not really there in order to create a comparison between one that is, usually evoking a more meaningful visual experience for the reader. Imagery may also be defined as the representation through language of sense experience. इसके क्या है ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं? To identify imagery in poetry, to write poetry using quality imagery, to provide an opportunity for students to write creatively, to work on prediction and guessing skills. For example, in his novel The Scarlet Letter, Nathan Hawthorne utilized imagery as a literary device to create a sensation for the reader as a meaning of understanding the love felt by the protagonist Hester Ryan. Love, whether newly born or aroused from a death-like slumber, must always create sunshine, filling the heart so full of radiance that it overflows upon the outward world. Elements of poetry, imagery एक पोइट्री का एलिमेंट है. Poetry indirectly appeals to our senses through imagery. Creating poetry requires the use of imagery. Think of some imagery words to describe some parts of nature: a sea, a book, clouds, a tree, a river, an animal, a mountain, etc. We speak of the pictures evoked in a poem as imagery. Imagery refers to the pictures which we perceive with our minds, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, and through which we experience the duplicate world created by poetic language. Although most of the image making words in any language appeal to sight, visual images, there are also images are touch, tactile, sound, auditory, taste, gustatory, and smell of olfactory. A good poet does not use imagery merely to decorate a poem. He asks himself, how can I make my subject appear to the reader exactly as it appears to me? Imagery helps him solve this problem, for it enables him to present his subject as it is. As it looks, smells, tastes, feels, sounds to the reader's imagery is equally important. It provides his imagination with something palpable to seize upon. Types of imagery. Different types of imagery correspond to different senses. Essentially, there are 5 types of imagery, each corresponding to one of our senses: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, olfactory, and gustatory. These are the main 5 types of imagery. Engage as many senses as you can when you are doing visualization or guided imagery. For poetic imagery, there are 7 primary types. These types of imagery often often features figure of speech such as similes and metaphors to make comparisons. Overall, poetic imagery provides sensory details to create clear and vibrant descriptions. This appeals to a reader's imagination and emotions as well as their senses. Here are the main types of poetic imagery. Olfactory imagery stimulates the sense of smell. Tactile imagery stimulates the sense of touch. विजुअल इमेजरी जो होती है वो साइट यानी देखने के लिए होती है. ऑडिटरी जो होती है वो हियरिंग सुनने के लिए. गस्टेटरी इमेजरी स्टिमुलेट्स द सेंस ऑफ टेस्ट, ये टेस्ट के लिए होती है. काइस्थेटिक इज इमेजरी दैट रिक्रिएट्स अ फीलिंग ऑफ फिजिकल एक्शन, ये फिजिकल एक्शन के लिए होती है. नेचुरल बॉडीली फंक्शन लाइक जैसे पल्स, हार्ट बीट और ब्रीथिंग. ऑर्गेनिक इमेजरी इंटरनल सेंसेशन, हंगर, थर्स्ट, फटीग, फियर, इन सब के लिए होती है. ओके. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इमेजरी. Imagery allows the writer to show what he means instead of just telling someone. When you write a poem or text, remember show, don't tell. I took a walk around the world to ease my troubled mind. I left my body laying somewhere in the sands of time. I watched the world float to the dark side of the moon. I feel there is nothing I can do. Kryptonite by 3 doors down. From the family tree of old school hip hop. Kick off your shoes and relax your socks. The rhymes will spread just like a pox, cause the music is live like an electric shock. People frequently use imagery as a means of communicating feelings, thoughts and ideas through descriptive language. Here are some common examples of imagery in everyday speech. The autumn leaves are a blanket on the ground. Here her lips tasted as sweet as sugar. His words felt like a dagger in my heart. My head is pounding like a drum. The kitten's fur is milky. The siren turned it into a whisper as it ended. His coat felt like a velvet curtain. The houses looked like frosted cake in winter. The light under the door looked watery. I came inside because the house smells like a chocolate brownie. Imagery refers to the mental pictures that reader experience when reading literature. Imagery appeals directly to one or more the 5 senses. An author achieves imagery through the use of words. There are 5 types of imagery. Visual, what you see, means appeals to sense of sight through descriptions of color, light, size, pattern, etc. Auditory, what you hear, यानी तुम क्या सुनते हो. Appeal to sense of hearing or sound by including melodic sounds, silence, harsh noises and even onomatopoeia. नेक्स्ट है किनेस्थेटिक, व्हाट यू फील, आप क्या फील करते हैं. एपील्स टू अ रीडर सेंस ऑफ मोशंस और मूवमेंट थ्रू डिस्क्राइबिंग द सेंसेशंस ऑफ मूविंग और द मूवमेंट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. नेक्स्ट ऑल्फैक्टरी, व्हाट यू स्मेल. स्मेल appeals to sense of smell by describing something's fragrance or odor. Next, gustatory यानी what you taste appeals to sense of taste through describing whether something is sweet, salty, savory, spicy or sour. Next, tactile appeals to sense of touch by describing how something physically feels, such as its temperature, texture or other sensation. Next है organic, appeals to and communicates internal sensations, feelings and emotions such as fatigue, thirst, fear, love, loveliness, despair, etc. Example, visual, the golden rays of the setting sun reflected upon the clear waters of the lake. Auditory, the tree rustled as the wind whistled gently through the leaves. Kinesthetic, my toes went numb and a shiver ran through my body as I stepped into the cold river. Olfactory, the stench of floating garbage overpowered my nostrils when I opened the wind. Gustatory, her mouth watered and her tongue burned as she bit into the sour, peppery mango chow. Imagery is a literary device. ये क्या है? एक literary device है that refer to the use of figurative language की to evoke a sensory experience or create a picture with words for a reader while utilizing effective descriptive language and figures of speech. Writers appeal to a reader's sense of sight, taste, smell, touch, and sound, as well as internal emotions and feelings. Therefore, imagery is not limited to visual representations or mental images, but also includes physical sensations and internal emotions. By using descriptive language in an effective and unique way, Hawthorne evokes feelings and allows the reader an internal emotional response in reaction to his descriptions of love. This image is especially poignant and effective for readers of this novel since Hester's love in the story results in darkness, shame, and isolation, the opposite of sunshine and radiance. Okay, thank you for watching.